Rick Simpson oil is simply cannabis oil. Rick Simpson was a particular person who pioneered the use of cannabis oils medicinally. That's why the term Rick Simpson oil is so prevalent, because people first got introduced to it through the Rick Simpson story. But essentially, it is oil. Whenever you've heard of someone speaking of a cannabis oil, that is the same thing as Rick Simpson oil. So in other words, we have the flower of the cannabis plant that has the trichomes all over it. That beautiful crystal that you see is the active components of the cannabis plant. We then take a solvent of some kind and we extract, we lift those trichomes, those oils, those favorable components that we're looking for from cannabis. We separate them from the gross plant material. We then remove the solvent, most commonly by boiling. Solvents have low boiling points, and all of this has to be done safely, and there's a lot of education involved in it, because when we're boiling off a solvent, we're in great danger. If someone, even static electricity can create sparks that could ignite vapors from boiling solvents. So make sure you educate yourself and only perform this in a very safe and regulated situation. In any case, the solvent is boiled off and we are able to collect the remaining residue, which is cannabis oil, aka Rick Simpson oil.